Hi, Tom. I'm finally ready to buy my vapor barrier.
Have you decided which vapor barrier is right for your crawl space?
Well, I was hoping to save some money and go with the thinnest stuff, especially because I'm going to use Felt 550.
You shouldn't make your crawl space fit the products. Instead, select the right products to fix your crawl space. Not all crawl space vapor barriers are created equally. While cost is certainly a concern, if you select the vapor barrier based on price alone, you'll get what you pay for. Or worse, you'll pay more for a cheap product.
How do I decide?
It's based on your budget and what your plans are for the crawl space after it's finished.
I'll probably just go down there for maintenance.
Our 12 mil and 16 mil crawl space liners are the most popular because they're not the thinnest nor the thickest. It's an all-around durable product that allows for some light storage and great moisture protection. If you're going to use your crawl space for storage, the 20 mil is better. It's much stronger and is better at handling the scooting of totes. 6 or 8 mil is good if there's limited head height or just for use on walls, as it requires less durability. And it can help offset the cost of thicker, stronger ones.
What are those lines?
Well, it's important to get vapor barrier with reinforcement. It makes it stronger and confines any punctures. For you, I recommend our 12 mil Silverback. It's the most versatile. Ultimately, you can't go wrong with any of our products. They're all top of the line. Best part, you can order online and ships next day or sooner.